She said I'm too chubby and I deflated the tire. Does not get much more local than this. 6. Yeah, okay. Have any foreigners here? I'm the only one. Alright guys, I think we are about to take 3 on a motorbike to go to the market. This should be interesting. Oh my god.
Okay.
Let's see if I can fit without falling off. Look at this. This is crazy. Looks like we are arriving. Yeah, needless to say, no helmets in a place like this. Alright, we survived.
Okay.
Okay, Mark. Alright, this is a little market here. We might be one of the only customers. You canอะไรกินยัง
หมูปิ้งไหมนี่ไง
Good.
นี่ไงนี่ยูกินไหม
What is
อัน
it?
นี้ไว้น่ะหมูปิ้งตัวนี้ใหม่นะโอเค
What do I can see?
อันนี้อร่อยตัวมีใหม่ว่ะ
What can I see? Maybe like sausage or hot dog or something?
ตัวมีกระลูกว่ะ
Yeah, okay.
หมูปิ้งหมดว่ะไปซื้ออยู่นั่นกินได้ว่ะ
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's up to you, Ding. I gotta mark, like, okay. Yeah, this okay. I don't know. Up to
เอา
you.
บาร์บีคิว
I guess maybe we're gonna cook it there then too.
เป็นบาร์บีคิวกิน
Yeah, I wonder what this is. Maybe this is beef or something. This actually looks kind of good too. Maybe this is like pork. I'm not sure honestly.
ตัวนี้โอเค
Yeah, okay. So this one, bo, that one. Oh yeah. Oh, look at it. This is cool. So we're actually gonna be like cooking ourselves. Oh, I kind of forgot. I think she said that she was gonna cook. I wasn't sure if we were gonna get food. Oh, okay. I thought she meant like we were going to buy that. So she's going to cook that. This cool.
หัวบัวใหญ่เห็นไหม
Like pepper. So she's getting all the ingredients now. Tomato. Got the meat. So this is like moo and no.
หมูเอาหมูก็ได้เอาตัวนี้ก็ได้
Yeah. So that's pork. And then yeah, we got onion. Yeah, we could look around. This is pretty cool though. They've got everything you could possibly want. That's probably what she probably comes here all the time, you know, to get like stuff to cook with. It's pretty sweet though. And then like over here, you got everything. You got food. This is like, you know, household products like laundry detergent, soap, toothbrushes, like bug spray. I think that's kind of like Drano or cleaner or something maybe. Eggs and everything. And then yeah, here you got more kind of like convenience store type of stuff, like, you know, some creams and stuff and little drinks and everything. So it's pretty sweet. I wonder what some of this stuff is. Just like filled into bottles. I have no clue what that is. Even little toys. Little like gift baskets of food stuffs. It's pretty sweet. Does not get much more local than this, I have to say. Actually, you're gonna like hand. So it's 136,000. So it's like I don't know, like $7 or something US. Let's see what else we got. We got sauce. We got the tomatoes, small ones and big ones. Onion, garlic, or no, yeah, just 2 onions, and then the meat. You sure this is enough for like everybody? It's okay. See? Okay. Hopefully. What? Where you do the? Okay. We are all loaded up then, I guess.
ไปเป็นอย่างที่ไหนใส่นี่
Here we go again. Oh shit, here we go again.
อันเดอร์อาซานี่แบบแท็กซี่ตัวเข้าไปตัวมันน่ะหน้าฟ้าเข้าไปนี่ว่ะมาไปทางไหน
It looks like we are pulling up to get some gas. Also like pumpui. Alright, we just filled up 20,000 keep, so like $1 worth. So hopefully the poor engine has full energy now to transport the bus. I can hear it struggling, especially when it has to go like uphill. Some locals sitting in front drinking. Oh yeah, it's gotten properly dark now. I wonder if we're making a beer run. There's my guess. You know that? Yeah, I thought so. How many should we get? I don't know. I don't even feel like drinking that much tonight. We got 2 bottles at home. She said I'm too chubby and I deflated the tires. Pumpui, pumpui bo.
Tadi kok. Tina suba.
Alright, I guess maybe we're going somewhere else to get the beer. And this was just to fill the tire. Cruising around in the dark in the middle of the Lao countryside. I think this was the supermarket they were talking about. This must be like the main supermarket around here. Oh yeah, maybe I could looks like we are in the market for some sticky rice, and oh my god, there's a mosquito on the front of the camera, you know, like when you're driving fast and it gets on your windshield of your car. It's honestly hilarious. Oh yeah, this is the beer that I was just talking about. What?
Okay.
Yeah, good oh, it's like for a pack. Do you think this or this?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Which one, like... Oh, this one doesn't have the price per pack though. Well, like this, look. Like this, me, this, but this, me, or what? Like it looks like you can only get a box, but there's no price per pack. Yeah, but I like soon. You know? Falang? Con Lao. He said a foreigner. I was wondering, because there's probably no foreigners here, you know what I mean? I don't know.
Okay, you.
I don't know, up to you. I don't know to get the can or bottle. I would maybe think the bottle is cheaper. But yeah. Yeah, this one like Bomi, like, just say soon. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So how much is this like pack? This like Hulk or
โอเค
Thai, but this is like Roy Sip Song
12
for like Hulk or
เนี่ย
other.
เราเบิ่งอยู่นี่ราคา
Yeah, it says for pack.
ตัวนี้แพ็คหนึ่งนี่แพ็คหนึ่ง6
Hulk.
1 2 3 4 5
Hulk.
1 2 3 4
Yeah, cause 6. 6. Yeah. Okay.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7
Okay.
โอเค
Yeah. What do you think?
เอาไหมน่ะ
You think it's enough or no?
โอเค
How much is it? Wait, so it's like 18. Oh wait, no. This one 22.
เราอยากไปโตเกียวเลยอยากไปตะฟองเนี่ยเอาปนกันตัวนี้ชูตัวนี้
Yeah, maybe something like that. Oh yeah. So like Hulk. This one. And then. And then what? Maybe this one song. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
โอเค
You good?
ขอบคุณปีเลย
I wonder if they had the. Oh yeah. I need a tampon. Oh, just got burned. Yeah, it's actually kind of big for out in an area like this. I wonder if they can do the scan pay so that I don't have to burn through all my cash. They have a local app here called Loka, and you can actually use it to scan pay because most places you cannot. Like in Thailand, I could not. It's funny, everybody's looking at the foreigner. Here, like here, bomi falan, sabo. Minung. Me, I said they don't have any foreigners here. I'm the only one, so everybody's like looking, like surprised to see me. Oh yeah, it's I think that's the same one.
โอเค
Yeah, in the video, I think same time. Yeah, got like tons of like fresh raw meat here.
โอเค
What is it? Oh, okay. Okay.
ตัวมีเป็นใหม่ว่ะเดี๋ยวแบบนี้เนาะวานะโอเคยังไงไป
Oh
เอาอย่าง
yeah.
อีก
Good.
ก็เสร็จหมด
Oh, salmon. Let's see. Maybe I was wondering if she's gonna get some snacks, like some drunk munchies or something like that. Yeah, these chips, guys, are from Thailand and they're so good. Oh my god.
แล้วเอาตัวนี้นี่แนะนำกินตัวนี้
ตัวแดง
Yeah, these are actually have them in Thailand too.
ไทยแลนด์อร่อยไหม
Yeah, me.
อยู่ไม่มีไทยแลนด์มี
Yeah, say Thailand me.
2 ห้อง
Oh yeah. Finish?
โอเค
Alright, we'll see what the grand total is. I was like, what, 150? Maybe like around 200,000 keep, which is probably like $10, like around $10, or maybe even like $950. Oh yeah, this one's me in Thailand too, man. Oh yeah. So, how are we gonna take on the motorcycle? It'd be like,
เอาไหมยูเอาไหม
no, I'm okay. Dude, maybe I just have the chip.
เอาไหม
Okay.
โอเค
So,
โอเค
yeah, we'll see now if they have this game here. What do you think, Tarai? Maybe like Songrai Pan?
200 ฟันไม่ถึง
Huh?
ไม่ถึง
No, you think like Tarai? Maybe like Songrai Sao?
200
Yeah, Songrai Sao Pan. It's gonna be interesting. The motorcycle was already struggling before without all of this stuff, so now we've got like several more kilos of weight probably. Alright, we're loading up our stash here.
โทรหาคุณโทรไปหลังไปแบบใส่อันนั้นเลย มีท่าแบบ
มี
มีท่าแบบ
มี
มีท่าแบบ
มี
มีท่าแบบ
มี
มีท่าแบบ
มี
มีท่าแบบ บาร์บีคิวจ้า
Yeah, remember? What do you think? I think like maybe Songray Salpan, and maybe Songray Hasib. We'll see the counter. So far we're at 70,000. We haven't gotten to the beer yet. This is probably like 150 or 160,000 alone. Yeah, I think that's pretty close. Like somewhere between 220 and 250 is my guess. Oh yeah, I think I can do the scan pay, so that's good. They have their own little mini carts here, learning to do the shopping. Alright, we're at 150. Oh, maybe more than, maybe like Songray Jetsuit then maybe. Now we're at Roy Hasib.
อยู่กินเบียร์เยอะ
Yeah, and you remember at home at the I Have Me song, you remember?
ไม่เป็นไรโอเค
Alright, 260, so it's gonna be like 300. I think because she's gotta do these last two, I think are like 21 each. So it's like less than 15 bucks still, believe it or not, for all of that. Think about it, like full dinner's worth of cooking, and well, I mean at the other market we spent like another 100, but still, so like $20 for a whole feast. Alright, let's see the moment of truth. Oh yeah. So the moment of truth here is this scan works. Oh, it worked. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Usually it doesn't put the number for you. That's pretty cool. Usually you have to type it in manually. This store must have like a special setup with the bank or something. Oh yeah. Okay, let's show them. Yes, you can see there $15.79 that was.
ธนาคารอย่างธนาคารที่โอนมา
Okay.
อ๋ออันนี้ธนาคารได้ปะ
มันเป็นอันธนาคารสีฟ้านะธนาคารเดียว
สีฟ้านะ
เงินเขาจริงๆเห็นเงินเขาจริง
เพราะมันเงินโอนออกแล้ว
เงินโอนออก
Yeah, I don't know what the issue is, but it's already paid, so hopefully it's all good because it already took it out of my bank. Oh yeah, I wonder if it's because I don't have like the local bank and it's like that's set up through the app I was telling you guys, so they're probably not used to seeing it.
ตัวนี้
Yeah, Loca. Yeah, I think because usually they pay directly through the banking apps.
เวลาเขาจะโอนเขาก็
So you can tell for sure, that's proof right now that they've never had foreigners here, so. Oh yeah. Let's see how we can carry this all. So we take this one then. This is everything?
โอเค
Oh yeah?
yeah
Oh, what's that? Oh yeah. We are all paid up and we're all stocked up for our feast now. We're gonna have our barbecue cookout. Me beer lao, me barbecue.